This automatic soap wrapping machine is the perfect solution for those who need to wrap soap bars quickly and efficiently. The machine comes with a vibratory bowl feeder that feeds the soap to the main machine for wrapping. The film feeding mechanism cuts the film and a gripper puts it into the mold. Another gripper pushes the soap into the mold for wrapping. The machine also has a built-in labeling mechanism, and another gripper applies the label on the wrapped soap. When the mold draws back, the finished product is discharged. Whatever your packaging needs are, you can rely on ZONESUN.